Crochet the claws using the techniques you have already learned. Come back once you have one claw crocheted. Do not cut the yarn tail yet, you will use it to fasten off the claw. To fasten off the claw, fold it in half. Insert the hook through both layers of stitches. With 4 loops on the hook, make a single crochet. Continue by crocheting 2 more single crochet through both sides of the claw. Cut the yarn, leaving a 6-inch tail. Pull the yarn tail all the way through the last stitch. Repeat the same steps for the second claw. To attach a claw, thread the yarn tail through the needle. Find the spot where you want the claw to sit. Push the needle through that stitch and bring it out 2 or 3 rounds away where the last stitch of the claw should land. Pull the yarn tail through. Pass the needle through the other side of the claw. Enter the last stitch of the claw. Then back into the body, exiting through any stitch. Attach the second claw the same way. When both claws are attached, guide the second yarn tail out through the same stitch as the first one. Tie the yarn tails together twice. And cut the excess yarn. Hide the knot inside the plushie. See you at the next step.